Why is there a full-blown conversation happening with Nephril in his earpiece, which I can hear? Well, is that an earpiece or Paro headset?
Because I sneeze, say I must call home.
Oh, yes. Let me see your belt. Let me see your loop.
I hope I have all of them.
Let me see your loop, Ron.
All of them, all right?
Yes, and you miss a loop. God help you.
I'm good, man.
Things are going in.
I am good.
All right, so where are we headed first? This is Hear the Children's Cry, convener of that group, Betty Ann Blaine, speaking out as she always does in protection of our nation's children. She wants tougher laws that will make it easier to go after, have I ever heard this phrase before? Sextortionists.
First time I hear that.
These are individuals who prey on the nation's children by extorting money or sexual favors from them by threatening to reveal evidence of their sexual activity.
Almost like the revenge porn thing that we're talking about.
Yes, but Lord Jesus.
Whoa.
So in the case of children, adults may threaten to post photographs and messages as a demand for money or other kind of favors. She says children, because of the internet, children have become easy targets for sexual predators. It's really child pornography, she says, and the children are totally unaware of the dangers involved. The Child Pornography Prevention Act makes it criminal to possess and or distribute visual representations or audio recordings of children who are engaged in any kind of activity of that nature. But Betty Ann Blaine said that her staff has been receiving reports from parents about attempts being made by unscrupulous persons to either lure their underage children via the internet or otherwise engage them in inappropriate activity. Says it's a growing concern, and parents are losing their ability to supervise their kids as far as that is concerned, which brings us back to the topic we discuss all the time here, right?
Yep.
Which is monitoring and making sure that you know what your children are looking at when they pick up that phone, because unsupervised, they could get in a lot of trouble.
Yep.
So
Trying
here
to
you
talk
better
to my 11-year-old grandson. So every time I send him a message, it take forever to respond.
He's busy doing
Right,
children's
that's what he
things.
said. Then he sent me a message and said, sorry, Grandpa took so long, but I've been busy.
Yes, things, look
Let me
here.
just start laugh.
Yes, Aaron does that to grandma and grandpa all the time.
What he been
Playing, homework,
I said, okay, so no problem.
playing.
The headline says Jamaica's film industry scores big in 2018-2019. Jamaica's film commissioner, Renee Robinson, a major success is being reported in the commission's delivery of signature talent programs and initiatives during the financial year, as we said. It says these productions resulted in increased demand for local film professionals, heightened exposure in international markets, and continued development of the creative economy, which is just fantastic news. There's a propeller initiative, an undertaking which identifies and assists up to 5 local filmmaking projects throughout the year with script development, production funding, and engagement with various markets continued to open windows of opportunity for filmmakers globally, they said. It's spearheaded by the Jamaica Film and Television Association and facilitated the production of 4 new films last year. There you go.
Have you seen Sprinter yet?
I haven't, actually.
You need to go.
Yeah.
I need to go and see it before.
Oh, you haven't seen it either?
I haven't seen it yet.
Okay.
And Flight was a big movie this year as well. Kia Moses' Flight that won. They've been winning a lot of international awards, and we need to really big them up locally because they're doing really amazing, best-in-class, world-class productions. So we are proud of our filmmakers and our actors and just the local industry in general. All right, what's the last one?
Sargassum influx results in 35%. Oh, no, I know what I'm talking about. Yeah, in regional, 35% dip in regional tourism. I wanted to keep that mic away from the president. Sargassum is this, there it is, I was going to say green, but it's brown. It's not green, it's brown.
There's a lot of it.
Yeah, they said that the Caribbean beach is being threatened They said they've seen, as I said earlier, 35% in reduction in bookings.
That's a lot, isn't it?
Yep.
I actually went out to Fort Clarence. Was it Fort Clarence one day? With Renee, and we couldn't go in the water because there was just a lot of it.
What it do?
Sometimes they try to rake it up.
I was just gonna say, how it does disappear after a while, or
I
it's
don't
stay
know
there
if
forever.
it disappears. I think they have to clean it. Remember we had somebody on the show
Yeah, and then
talking
what you
about
do with
it?
it after you clean it up?
I don't know how they
put it
dispose
back in
of
the
it.
water, or you burn
I
it?
don't
What
think
you
they
do?
put it back in the water because I think there are effects if it stays too long.
Yeah.
But 35% across the region, a dip in tourism, that's 1/3 of our earnings from regional tourism. That's serious, and I have to deal with this in a very serious way because the implications are vast.
Yeah, that's plenty.
We have 2 minutes and 10
don't know if
seconds.
I've
Do you
ever
have 2 minutes
seen
and
it.
10 seconds worth of birthday?
I don't know if I've ever seen
When
it.
last you go to the beach?
Well, actually, I was on the beach a couple of weeks ago.
Were you?
Yeah.
Which part?
In Montego. And kids, remember the kids were here.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
But you were at a tourist resort.
Yeah.
So they're not going to allow that really to happen.
Okay.
They're going to clean that up.
Then if that is so, then why we have a drop in tourism?
I don't know.
If they clean it up in the tourist area.
Well, it says regional, so
yeah, regional,
I don't know if this is
not
really
just
Jamaica, but
yeah.
were you at the beach before that recently?
No.
And you wouldn't see it.